Hello, my name is James and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Hyundai Tucson can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or snow skiing. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let me show you how we complete this install. You will need the following tools and supplies to complete this installation. For our first step, we're going to remove these underbody panels on the driver's side and the passenger side. There's a third and final clip behind the wheel well. You can access that by getting underneath the vehicle, and that will remove the plastic. Repeat the same process on the other side of the vehicle. To raise the hitch into place, I will be using this U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, we recommend that you grab an extra set of hands because this hitch could be very heavy. Now you want to install the 4 M10 bolts with a conical tooth washer facing up against the hitch, 4 on the passenger side and 4 on the driver's side. Now tighten and torque bolts according to the manufacturer's specifications. I will now be reinstalling the underbody panels using the 3 clips removed earlier on the driver's side and the passenger side. Now that our hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. The distance from the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 4 inches. The distance from the ground to the top of the receiver is 14 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like a ball mount, bike rack, ski rack, or a cargo carrier. This concludes the installation of our hitch on our Hyundai Tucson. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.